to set up the watch. Now it's just syncing. I'm just gonna wear it and show you guys. Got it. Okay, there it is on my wrist. So it's just syncing, and then the charger that comes with it. So this is the charger. I'm just gonna open this up. Yep, set up, so it's getting a notification. Update complete. So now, if I do this, okay, it's good, right? Hello. Did you look around to see your apps? There it is. Set it up, all right and done. There it is. So this is the charge level on it. So I'm just gonna press this. There it is, the Apple Watch. Well, so you can look at the messages. Okay, obviously I'm not going to show you the messages, but those are the
Because I am a little confused. What do you want me to do? Can I go home or should I wait for you? Just call me back.
Wait, that was a voicemail.
Assalamualaikum, Mr. Ahmad.
Nice watch. Even play music. अच्छी है. Good. With the iPhone, it's a good watch.